would you like to check out of the library?
Yes, I would. Greetings, Earthlings. We are back. We are opening more mini brands, and these are the mini brands books. So we're gonna open up one ball to start. I'm gonna see if I can do a nice pull.
You were 3 for 4.
Okay, I failed already for this one.
No, see if you can recover. Can you get it all the way? Please hold.
All right. After we had some lovely adventures that the ball decided to send us on, we now have our books. Here is everything you can get because this is the first time that we
Let me see the
opened
checklist.
these. There's a Goosebumps.
There's a Goosebumps, which is a legendary. A Netflix Stranger Things is iconic. Luxury, which none of those look like something I would want.
And there's more on the back.
Ultra rare. Rare.
And then on the
Look
back
at all the scholastic.
is all, I think these are all the commons.
Yes.
And then what are these down here?
These look like they're
Magnifying
accessories,
glass
like a little
accessories.
bookcase and everything.
Very nice, very nice. So we're going to start with this one.
What do you think it is?
A book.
Excellent choice.
Yes. So in here we have, oh, this is Clueless. How cute. Oh my God, there's actually like words on the pages too.
Yes, it's a mini book.
Yes, and they took it very literally. Did you know that Clueless is actually based on, I think it's Sense and Sensibility? It's a Jane Austen novel, but I believe it's Sense and Sensibility. No, maybe it's Emma.
Clueless is a rare, just so you know.
Oh, our first one is a rare. Check it out.
Please hold.
Are there only 4 bags in this?
Yes.
Okay. All right, on to the next one. We have another book in here. This one is, I don't want to rip it because it is.
A book.
We have in here, ooh, this is Goosebumps, Deep Trouble by R.L. Stein. Is this a common?
Common.
Common, all right, but that's 2 books.
I like the book.
Yes, so there are only 4 bags. There's not a 5th one in these. Is that correct?
I have not seen a 5th.
Okay. So then maybe we'll find out for sure in the next one. So on to the next one.
But I do want the Charlie and the Chocolate.
This one feels like there's an accessory in here with the book.
I like a book.
What is this? Oh, do not use magnifying glass under direct sunlight or any hard light.
Oh, that's good.
So we now have one. We got A Christmas Carol, and this one's a hardback with all the text written on it.
Oh, that's an ultra rare.
Woo! We're doing really well. And in here we also have a magnifying glass and a bookmark.
What kind of bookmark?
A white one.
Those are rare and, sorry, not rare. Common and common. No, wait. It may be rare. My mistake. Please hold.
Either way.
Elementary, my dear
Yes.
Rachel. All right, please hold. Welcome back to Susan's segment. You can read the book with the magnifying glass. Astonishing. You can see the pages here. Thank you. And look at those pretty nails.
Thank
And
you.
now welcome back to Rachel's Spot. This was Susan's Corner.
Yes, and we are on to the last one.
That looks like a really big thing.
It is a plasticky bookcase.
Oh,
AKA, we are at IKEA. Please hold, because we've got a long list of picture instructions to get this together.
And I got one.
Yeah.
So you have a bookcase with no shelving, though. It's very odd.
Yeah, but they basically, how this works is each of these probably has a bookcase in them, and then you can stack them together as you collect more capsules to make the shelf bigger. Oh, somebody's getting arrested! Oh, the Beto is
Are you
out.
sure it's not for you?
Yeah, I didn't do anything this time. So let us put everything on our little shelf, but I would love to get a tiny little wooden one.
Hint, hint.
Hint, hint.
Wink, wink. Nudge, nudge. Let's see what's in the other one. Please hold. What you got?
Some more bags. Another paper. We're
Only
gonna put
2
that
though.
there. No,
Oh, no,
they're
there is
stacked.
3.
There's 4 bags here. Don't
Okay.
worry. We're gonna open up this one last. I know this is the shelf. Let's open up this one. In here is a book, and the book is Vampire Diaries.
That is a common, because I saw that
Alright.
earlier.
So we got Vampire Diaries. The next one is, and by the way, I actually had a copy of that book way back in the day. Oh, we got another thing that tells us to do something. We got a blue bookmark. We got a copy of Hollow City, Miss Peregrine, the second novel of Miss Peregrine's Peculiar Children. It's a hardback too.
That is a rare.
Ooh! We got another magnifying glass, which I wonder if you get one of these in each ball. Next, we have another book here, and this book is another Goosebumps. This is Night of the Living Dummy. What's the what? What did we what? Why are you making that face, Greg?
That's the legendary, if I'm not wrong.
I'm double checking.
It's at the top.
Oh no. I'm just making sure it's not elsewhere. There are two versions of it. I don't know what the is the legendary one glow in the dark? There's one that's a regular one and one that's not. So I have to check. Hold on, let me check if this
Please
glows.
hold. We think it's the common.
Yes, we think it's the common after some serious review. And then the last one, I'm not going to put this together because I'm too lazy, is our bookshelf.
So what do you think of these?
I really like these and I want more of them because I'm a reader, I'm a book nerd, and I love reading things and people.
You do not read people. I do, because reading is what?
Fundamental. Look, you read people. I read them politely because tact is telling somebody to go to hell and have them do it smiling.
And I read them like a scripture, like Mary Cosby.
Exactly. But I do it nicely.
And I do it like Mary Cosby.
Exactly. All right, everyone. Have a good rest of your day. We hope you enjoyed our little mini book talk.